the sun, the sea, the sky. If only there was a way to capture it and save it so we can enjoy it later. Turns out, you can. This wine is made of liquid sunshine and sea air. Do you know what this wine is? Wine, it tells us a story. You just need to learn how to read it. And the first thing we'll do is take a look at the color. This wine is a pale garnet color. I can totally see through it. And a quick swirl reveals thick, viscous tears, telling me higher alcohol content, which probably means this wine is from a hot climate. Dried cherry, raspberry, and blood orange. There's also a whiff of white pepper and this leathery quality that's rustic and sanguine. It's a little untamed. This has to be a blend. On the palate, surprisingly high acidity, and the tannins are big and rustic. The finish smooths out with subtle sweet baking spices. Oak aging. This wine's a quandary. It leads to several possible wine blends that you probably know. Perhaps it's a Southern Rhône blend from France, a Tuscan blend featuring Sangiovese, a blend from Corsica in France, or a Garnacha-based blend from Priorat in Spain. Let's hand it over to the master of wine, Christine Marsilio, for some deep knowledge on what's in my glass.
With the ripe red fruit and fuller body, we think of Grenache, and that could easily point us towards Priorat in Spain. The spicy, peppery note points towards Syrah, which could indicate the Rhône Valley. But then there's those wild, leathery notes and rustic tannins, which actually sounds more like a wine from Tuscany. This wine is actually a blend of the familiar and the unexpected. So what about Corsica? Corsica is mountainous, and its vineyards climb up to staggering heights of over 4,000 feet. Up at this elevation, vines bathe in the warm Mediterranean sun during the day, yet enjoy much cooler nights, and this ensures the grapes maintain their acidity and their structure, along with their more delicate fruit flavors. And what about those hard to pin down, wild, leathery, rustic flavors? Well, in Corsica, you'll find plenty of Grenache and Syrah, but there's also more obscure varieties like Nieluccio, aka Sangiovese, and Schiarello, which create distinctive yet familiar blends. Winemaking here is a unique blend of influences, showcasing both French and Italian traditions. All of these factors come together to define Corsica's robust yet elegant, rustic yet refined wines.
Now to reveal the specific wine, we're discussing Domaine Maestracci 2018 Corse Calvi Rouge. Corse Calvi AOC, where this wine comes from, is nestled in the northwest corner of Corsica. Its volcanic geological history has bestowed it with granite soils, which gives these wines an unmistakable mineral character and also a pale color in the glass. Sustainability is very important to the island. In fact, this producer practices biodynamic farming, which is a more holistic approach to farming. Some call it beyond organic. For those of you looking for a perfect food pairing, consider hearty grilled meats or Mediterranean dishes with olives and peppers, tomatoes, and herbs. Corsica wines, what do you think? Leave Christine or me a comment, and remember, wine is a journey and every bottle is a new destination on the map. This wine is part of Wine Folly Club, and you're welcome to join us. You can become a member and taste along. We have more tasting videos like these coming up, so tune in and subscribe to learn more about wine. Until next time, happy tasting. Cheers.